Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lensa app in your phone. Right, so very first thing we will just go to the Play Store here, and after that on the Google search, you have to just search Lensa and just hit the enter, right? And here you can see you have to install the app. So in the place of open, you will get to install the app. So I have already installed this, so I will just open this mobile application, okay? And here it will take a very few seconds, so it is loading and you have to just wait. And guys, here the very first thing you have to do, you have to agree to the terms and condition which is here. Then you have to just click on the next, which is in the bottom, and here you have to again click on the next, and here these are the features which they are showing you, right? So you have to just click on the next, and these are the features you can use in the Lensa app. So basically, and here you can see that we get the 7-day free trial, and after that we have to pay to use this app. So let's try out that whether we can use the Lensa for free or not. So we will just close on the top left side corner here, okay? And after that you can see that here you have to allow, right? Just, or you can just deny. So I will just deny this, and now here you can see that magic avatar, which is very viral in these days in the social media. You can see it, right? So let's close this and I will show you next time, okay? So basically you can see we will just click on the add photos here, and we have to allow the permission so that they can use our local disk, right? And here you have to select a photo. For example, if I select this photo, and you can select more than one photo, right? So I can select this one, or this one, right? And after that I will click on the import. So just click on the import guys, and here it will take a very few seconds to import it. If you want to import a one more photo, you can just click on the plus. Then after that we will click on this magic avatars, and here you can see that magic avatar is basically a paid version, but let's see that whether we can try it out or not. So here you can see that you can turn into a very awesome pictures, right? So let's say that here I will just click on the continue, and here we have to select 10 or 20 selfies. So let's try, we will try to select the 10 or 20 selfies, right? So for example, this one, right? You have to select it according to you, and we will just click on the import. Now here it will take a very few seconds, so you have to just wait. So basically guys, you have to buy the subscription or pay the money to use it, right? So we will try a different feature here. So guys, after importing the photo, you have to click on which photo you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this photo here, and after that you can see that it's just taking a time to load. So guys, after opening, you can just edit your photos according to you. You can just remove the background and do many of the features, right? And if you want to just buy this magic avatar, you can just go for the magic avatar and you can just do it. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.